Hello, good morning students. Today we are going to do the exercises in the activity book, pages 103 to 105. Take page 103 and read question C. Read the extract below. Question number 1. Rewrite it as a play script with stage directions. Invent and write in Polonius reply to Lucius' final comment. You have to read the paragraph, and this paragraph has to be written in the style of a play script. Now we can read the paragraph. One of the soldiers in Brutus' army, Polonius by name, sighed deeply with his head in his hands back at the camp. "How now, good friend, how do you fare?" asked his companion. "I cannot think how I will go on. Did you not, good Lucius, smell that meaty aroma as we passed the village? I vow, my stomach has not had the like of that for many months," groaned Polonius. Children, you can see all the said words are highlighted with red color. We already learned that this type of paragraphs are written in old-fashioned style. Last paragraph. Well said. It is true we are on short rations, but be of good cheer. We are nearing the end. We will be home before the month is out, predicted Lucius, wandering off towards the tents. Now, what we have to do? What is the question? Rewrite the narrative paragraph in play script format. Children, you can read the paragraph again. The dialogue is straightforward because it is indicated by speech marks. We have to use same old-fashioned style. Check the dialogue. No speech marks or quotation marks are needed. Dialogues of different characters are written in two different colors. Children, you can see companion. How now, good friend? How do you fare? We are not using the quotation marks or the speech marks. You can see in red how the actor has to behave on the stage. Polonius, I cannot think how I will go on. Did you not, good Lucius, smell that meaty aroma as we passed the village? I vow my stomach has not had the like of that for many months. Dialogue is same, but here it is written character wise and there is no speech marks or quotation marks. Last paragraph also written as a dialogue. Well said, it is true. We are on short rations, but be of good cheer. We are nearing the end. We will be home before the month is out. Children, you can see there is no speech marks or quotation marks. What has changed? In our previous classes, we discussed the language changes. We don't necessarily use the same words now. And the language was changed from that time to the present time. There will be many words which is unfamiliar to you. It is a crossword puzzle. It is an old-fashioned contraction. You have to write the full word looking at the clue given. You can see across. 3. It was. 6. Ever. 8. It is not. 9. Crushed. You can see down. 1. May not. 2. Never. 4. Shall not. 5. Twixt. Children, that is the meaning between, and the full word is betwixt. 7. It is, and 10. Over. Children, read all the words across and down, understand it properly and write in your activity book neatly. Children, now the homework. Activity book pages 103 to 105 as given in the video, and activity book page 106 you have to do yourself. Read the question, example is given, look at the example and complete page 106.